Hello and welcome back to another review of the diecast car with my name is Pulu, and today we're going to reviewing this Hot Wheels Neon Speeders 2025 series. This is the latest of a Neon Speeder series of a Toyota AE-86 Corolla. This is the 86 Corolla, not the Trueno versions, okay? This is the it also came in number 4 from 8. This is the artwork of these Neon Speeders. This is the Corolla from inside the bubble, and this is the back of the car. As you can see here, there's 8 of them: the Honda Prelude, Mazda RX-7, Lancer Evolutions, Corolla itself, BMW 2022, Camaro, Porsche, and Datsun Fairlady. Let's go unboxing it. Okay, let's go. We open this Neon Speeders here. The Toyota AE-86 Corolla up Neon Speeders, okay? Let's go, we open it. There you go. As you can see here, looking nice, right? Okay, let's see from the left side first of this Toyota Corolla. Came in a pink, white, blue and combination color with a black glossy here. Also came with a six spoke rims here with us. So came with the Bridgestone livery on the door. You see, it has the door handle there. Nice, looking great. The interior color in pink with a red steering wheels, looking great, looking nice here. Not much of a Hot Wheels. Came with a pinkish interior and with the blue glass windows here. Nice. Let's see from the front of the car here. Actually, this is a very good detail for this front of the car. You can see the livery here, Bridgestone, and of course you can see in the middle here there's a livery of a Trueno. Even it's a really small livery of Trueno there. Nice. The fog lights, the indicator lights, indicator lights down on the grille, the fog lights, nice. The detail is looking great for the front of the car here. Looking great. The right is the same as the left side. You can see the fuel cap here above the spoiler here, a little bit left here. Nice, right? And this is the rear parts of the car. You can see there's a ton of the livery for the tail lights there, the brakes light, the reverse light, the indicator light, of course. And however, it's still looking great for the tail lights of the car, the bumper, and the ducktail too. Nice, right? The base here, you can see this is Corolla AE-86 Corolla, Toyota AE-86 Corolla 2025. This is the old look from metal, made in Indonesia. Finally, we have the Indonesian made for this packaging like this. Previously it came in a 5 pack, I think, of a made in Indonesia. Nice, looking great. And I forgot to mention that from the 8th, I think there's 2 of them with a metal base, the BMW and the Copo Camaro, because the BMW feels a lot heavier than this one, and the Copo Camaro I think also came with a metal base. It's also a lot heavier than this one, but I'm gonna try to find out. If I see it, if I find it again, I'll try to buy it. Okay, very nice, looking great, Trueno.